ai mung ta ut na ya
với November ni som ni le pasari sang ni le som ni jirtom ni hian Mizoram State Legislative Assembly athil la theng zen lo ti tul si kan ti dawana ni thutluk na hi a eng zong point siam dawni la thutluk na siam nuam lo tak ani ve dawana ni ma se ka kowa atamiam sia ka thut nai na jirmiau sia wangin ka ti lo thei lo don ani tuna case kan ngai tu lai hian hetiang case chung changa parliament le state legislature rang te an local pui dan te in speaker ten ruling an lo siam to te lakhomin uluk taka zir ani thutluk na hi English le mizo tong siam mania heng te hi assembly official record a von tur ani ka thutluk na chunga omjong hi chiar chua don chuan atam thame le maya kuna du rei do na in technical thil le har satam tak au vain atlang pui chau ka sei don ani ka chiar chua kang assembly session lai di sela chuanin decision hi house a chiar chua tur ani a amaro chikan thedangin tun lai na session member ani na tanga disqualify turin speaker hena petition athuin angtlang an thelu ta supporting document engemo zat an thelu tel bok ani para 2 subclause 2 of the 10th schedule of the constitution of India a inje dan chu hetia heni asap prongin kan chiaranga an elected member of a house who has been elected as such otherwise done as a candidate set up by any political party shall be disqualified for being a member of the house if he joins any political party after such election. Yene pulo du mo member zong tak chuan a comment ain soi fiana amizo tongin ain soi fiana chu speaker hena niriat thasom sang ni le som ni khan aron theluta ain soi fiana comment thelu a hian alla kha petition thelu tu te chuan petition chung cha dan an zom pham kim lo tin petition chu kaltlang pui lo turin adila chu di chung chuan petition a point khang te atan comment asiamin a thelun hal tho bok ani members som pham kim lo ati lai dan de chu rule 6 subclause 4 le subclause 7 of the members of Mizoram Legislative Assembly disqualification on ground of defection rules 1987 te ani a rule 6 sub rule 4 chu hetia hene asap tongin kan share lenga before making any petition in relation to any member, the petitioner shall satisfy himself that there are reasonable grounds for believing that a question has arisen as to whether such member has become subject to disqualification under the 10th schedule. Hian petitioner te hian an petition thailua hian petition an siam na chara an chian tok na satisfied thu engma an siak lova hei baga petition annexer te chu verify lo le signature lo ani tin petition chu nol turin speaker angin bok ani members of the pulal duwan asoi rules le petition tengun takin kasir chianga sub rule palia soi unsatisfied nge turin ti hi petitioner unsatisfied ani ti zealan tur tinani lovin petition submit mine petition an siam na chan na thutling le chan thatok awmani ti an chiang masadurani tina an zo ani thelu tu te hian an thelu mine an thu thelu chana an chian tok satisfy wa petition te hi thelu ni in kangaya kapom tani in rule 6 sub rule 7 chu te hian ya asa progin every annexures to the petition shall also be signed by the petitioner and verified in the same manner as the petition yenilia petition annexer te chu an verify in signature an pevek turani ti chu speaker nena petition an thelu annexer te hian petitioner te hian signature pen and verified feka hemi chungcha hian members of the pulal du ma hi telephonein ni ko tha som sang de som khan vaitam tak ka bia a amaro chu wan doi tha doin ka betlang thailo lo maya a khati lai ha khom pui lai the pok ania amaro chu ZPM joint legislature party deputy leader zaom tak members zaom tak pu walal hanale ZPM joint legislature party hadate chu kabia a ni ko tha som sang dile som ni khan officer le a somin anni tren hian petitioner ten annexera verification le signature hi en pegeni ti en tir in en ho kan en hawa an bu ve nge ni ti he kan soitel du bogani het yagi thilom dara ni bagin members om takulo doman petition dismiss a kalpuizel lo tura min ngan na chu saklovin khesi ka kalpuizel ta bok ani ai soifiana in mujo tong kan da thelua chuan kumsang ni som pariat November tha MLA general election nei donin political party then khat recognized party panhei Mizoram People's Conference Zoram Nationalist Party le unrecognized party pathum Zoram Exodus Movement Zoram Reformation Front Zoram Democratic Party te in Mukhoma in Don Khomnani ani thule political party thar Zoram People's Movement ZPM din tura ni som le panga thariat sanghile som basaria thutlu na siam nei thu asoyani sanghile som pariat khan election lom turatan common chief ministerial candidate nei unreal ba ka candidate zong ten common symbol flag banner manifesto le common office ya election and contest thu asoitel bokane zoom tharte alom lu thu chu aphat lo thu hi asoyene hết giờ hiền thì bà sẽ anh party em mà anh zia lụ lâu thú lệ party function à thế à tel thiên vàng ngút à independent member này na akal san tí na ani lâu thú à suy tel bọc này Sunar 10 Supreme Court case an Soilan Jagjit Singh versus the state of Haryana chu Jagjit Singh he independent candidate Nilavin recognized party National Party Nationalist Congress Party ticket thantlin ni in anua Indian National Congress Party as of a disqualify niya ama case ne inna nei lo ni in ain soibok ane Jagjit Singh versus the state of Haryana chungsa Supreme Court ruling members of tak pulal duoman asoi hi hetiang hian soifia zo ila Jagjit Singh versus the state of Haryana ti ngot nilavin Jagjit Singh versus the state of Haryana in others ti ani heke sahian MLA paruk involved in chu zinga panei Jagjit Singh le Karan Singh dalawal te chu political party ticket thantlin an niya MLA dang pali Devraj Diwan Panhina Rajinder Singh Bisla Pathumna Jai Prakash Gupta Palina Bhim Sen Mehta Kalam Danhi Adik Zoma Play lo le lang tlang takati ani theinan petition te chu pulal doman me barso pulal doma nera an petition hi pek ani ya me barso da pulal doma here comment in soifena nei a thelu na ni sobri chu hun pek ani kan ti to kha in soifena comment te hi chu ni som pariat thasom nilo Nuriat thasom sang ni soma aron thelut ani kan ti to kha Sorry, sorry. Hey, I so if you comment aron thelu chu petitioner som padi den hena allo here the tan le allo ai to atan ari far theida tur provision a oma hey ba ka hian member som tak ulol du ma chuan a khei chu privilege committee a peturin minen boka Privilege Committee Kutapek Chungchang Hingun Taka ngay tuin Kazir Chianga Assembly Committee of Privilege Dinglaya Member Parukzinga Pathum Techu Petition Thelu Tu Tisigami Anniin Anjinga Pakachu Chairman Anhengeni Chubagin Alaka Member Zom Takpulal Doma Laka Petition thelu tu te member le chairman anni na committee a anlo ngai to tura tar pek chi nin ka ngai lo ni an thu thu lam tur kha on lam anei sa don hian ngai tu thia alan awangin privilege committee a pelovin ngai to zu ri ta ani petitioner tele respondent ten mani nge speaker ma inlan na tongka in soifena hun siam saktura an dilangin ni thum thasom pakhat sang dile somni chomadar so pakhat khan assembly committee room an mani local soidu an neite tongka soina hun siam sak ania he disqualified nan tling tok le chan thotok ni an thiat thu an soibok ani hemen hu hian respondent in soidu aneite asoya petition chungsanga comment alo thelu to le a comment supporting document te soinona soifin ZPM sponsor a election a dingani awang le nomination a file line ZPM party hian registration alanai manlo awang maya independent candidate file ani thu soin hei wang hian independent MLA diktak anga ngai tur ani lova he thu a soinon le bokani a dan hong assembly ro re la kalpui tur kan nia tu te thu soye mo pressure le influence na avanga role le kalkui thei ani lova role na chu evidence be chan a ngai tua thu thu na siam tur ani thu le president thil lo ti to to thil ni chuan president jul ju thu thu na he siam thin ani assembly secretariat in ulol duma respondent in kumsang ni som priyata mla in than puyata na nomination of file a copy panhina return of election pathumna election commission of India in mla at hantlinte notified na gazette te hian members on the pulal do machu independent ti ania a nomination paper le a supporting affidavit te as a program here I am contesting as an independent candidate in Asia ane hetia he pulal do ma members on tak din mundik tak churia petitioner te chuan pulol doma MLA in politic chungchanga athu soidan te a political party pakhata member in pethar alum lu thin thu chu thu le political party pakhata ai nam noi le ai man dan chu independent member te dan tur ni lovin an khia a independent ni na kalsana chu bang chuan para true sub clause 2 of the 10th schedule of the Constitution of India noya a member in disqualified to win pi gan hena petition an thelu ta ani pulal doma MLA in ziaka thelu le tongka nge in petition ten an pu na chu aphalova ZPM party chu ma candidate ta na ruat tu le an mani wanga MLA thantlin ani thu le ZPM matara thei to chu abat ani thu a soibok ani ziak le tongka speaker nena petitioner le respondent te thu thlen le soi khang le assembly secretariat in documents akol tengun taga jirchian huwa ulol do machu independent MLA ani ti le independent member ani Sin political party pakhat ZPM chu thule thil tia zomin anjinga atela active takin chu political party tan chuan thuk takin ain mang ti hi thudik ania aphalawani amala makan soitak Supreme Court case Jagjit Singh versus State of Haryana and others ahian petitioner Paruk Omin Jagjit Singh le Karan Singh Dalal te chu independent election number jani somkwa pakhat jani somkwa pathum le jani somkwa pali of sani pali anming pakhada dev ras diwan panina Rajinder Singh Bisla pathumna jai Prakash Gupta palina Bhimsen Mehta chung te chu independent member Haryana Legislative Assembly Speaker in disqualify avanga Supreme Court unusual ko na thua Supreme Court chuan ni som le pakhat thasom pani sani le parukhan judgment ati chuaka chuta chuan political party zoom ti hian formal takin enrollment fee emo Pea vasum kherlam nilovin independent candidate than member ten an independent character an ni phung an kalsan em ti chu te na ber tur ni ti in Supreme Court in an thu chu alo nol to ani to in speaker suda nangarorel tur le documentary proof le supporting document lo chana thutlu na siam tur kan ni a case in anga Raurela Sangber Supreme Court Chief Justice of India hava full bench mevin thutlu na lo nei to aum chuan chu diang thu lu na chu za a chu mi zul zuya thutlu no chu siam phin tura ngai ani respondent members on tapulol do mahi independent MLA ani a sianga amaro chu athu soile chelvel na khang ate independent character kalsanin political party azomti achianga para 2 sub clause 2 of the 10th schedule of the Constitution of India a hetiang hian ziak ani asa progan chiar lenga an elected member of a house who has been elected as such otherwise done as a candidate set up by any political party shall be disqualified for being a member of the house. Political party candidate nilo to po member thantin ani nuwa eng political party po azomani chuan member ani na tanga bantir ngai turani tiene hediang thil dane ne wangin respondent ulal doma member zon tak independent MLA hian independent character kalsanin political party Zoram People's Movement ZPM party hi zomai ti hi kapom dan anitari ma chuan ko sang ber Supreme Court thurem chu dan anga pom aniya petitioner 10 Antlo Chanber Jagjit Singh versus State of Haryana and others umsangele paruk chungsa Supreme Court full bench Chief Justice of India Mevin akai hruaina thunhuai akai hruan huaya thurem na anlo siam to chu danang takarorel decision siam ni theinan ka be chan lo thailo tani sub clause 2 of the 10th schedule of the Constitution of India in an elected member of the House who has been elected as such otherwise done as a candidate set up by any political party shall be disqualified for being a member of the House if he joins any political party after such election. Tia asoy ang hiyan tudluk na siyam chu hetak sugin kati alawai ta ane kan chiar ane chiar masa anga mizo tongin chiar sui le dona me order. Now, therefore, on the basis of the above findings, I have no other option but to carry out the solemn duty reposed upon me by the Constitution and hold the respondent who was elected independently and was not a candidate set up by any political party had as admitted and declared by himself by joining the Mizoram People's Movement Party on 19/8/2019 and for his subsequent conduct and activities aforesaid attracted the disqualification in terms of Para 2 subclause 2 of the 10th schedule to the Constitution of India. The petitions filed by the petitioners are thus allowed, meaning thereby that the respondent is disqualified for being a member of the Mizoram Legislative Assembly. It's conferred upon me under paragraph 6 of the 10th schedule to the Constitution of India and the members of Mizoram Legislative Assembly disqualification on ground of defection rules 1987 framed thereunder I, Larry Silo, Speaker, Mizoram Legislative Assembly hereby declare that Ulal Doma, the respondent, has incurred disqualification for being a member of the Mizoram Legislative Assembly in terms of paragraph 2, subclause 2 of the 10th schedule on the basis of the above decision. Accordingly, Ulal Doma, the respondent, ceased to be a member of the Mizoram Legislative Assembly with immediate effect, and his seat therefore falls vacant in terms of Article 190, subclause 3 of the Constitution of India. Action contemplated under Rule 8 of the members of the Mizoram Legislative Assembly, disqualification on ground of this defection rules 1987 be taken accordingly. Aizawl date 27/11/2020. Nalin Lirasalo Speaker, Mizoram Legislative Assembly. Amizoto in Kansia. Tuna hian achunga thurelle thutlu na tebe charin du than tur dang ke hian kanei lova dan puin kachunga mo purna lian tak alo da angin respondent independent candidate eng political party main candidate atana ansop chuanilo hian thantlin ani nuwa ama ngein apomin apuanain Zoram People's Movement Party chu ni som pakwa thariat saw ni som pakwa zomin le hemin nuwa che dan le akhosak zui dan te wangin achunga Constitution of India 10th schedule para 2 subclause 2 chu ama bantira turin man alungai ta ani petition ten an petition thelu chu ilotin alo nita ichon respondent chu Mizoram Legislative Assembly member anina lisak alo nita ani tuna hian Constitution of India 10th schedule paragraph paruk nale chumi hnuai dan siam Mizoram Legislative Assembly disqualification on ground of defection rules sang hajugwa somre le pasari ten thudei na min pek angin kei larin len sailo Speaker Mizoram Legislative Assembly hian Ulal Doma respondent he achunga soitak te be chanin schedule somna para 2 subclause 2 angin Mizoram Legislative Assembly member ni na atangin bantir ani ti he kapuang ani ichuan Ulal Doma respondent he Mizoram Legislative Assembly member ni na chu tuna tengin alo top ta Constitution of India article jasum kwa subclause pathumna angin athut mun asit po aruak ta ani. The members of Mizoram Legislative Assembly disqualification on ground of defection rules sang khajuwa somriat pasari noya rule 18 asoy anga malagzui niro se Larin Lirasilo Speaker Mizoram Legislative Assembly Aizawl date nisom nili pasari tasom pakhat sang dile somni yini top 10 26 Serchip SD constituency atara independent memelea Chantlin Chinchu Chantinakha Mizoram Legislative Assembly Mizoram Legislative Assembly member ni na chu tu na rang hian lisak disqualified anita this is on thutluk na siam te hi dani na soyagin MLA zong kan member zong takte information atan bulletin ตีชัวอันนี้มา in Mizoram Gazette mangin notification ti chu ani bokanga ako pi chu Secretary Commission Election Commission of India le State Sarkara an thon hal don bok ani chuan hei hi kan ti tu da tu di ta tu na hian ka soyan khan a order kha đi lâu thì anh ấy xí là và chú ngặt làm miếng boleh kakak
Tani wen kari sentona ni ti sukal pui kan ngam lovin voi ni thang yang kan lo mani dan kan sewa kan mi pui that na tur sarkar hi na tan ne kan ti langkang rin ngam in wala tak mi pui dan chu sarkar chu kan dei se ni elai huna faringe lo kal te hian politics again zoram hore na kan thum se turi ha kan la se lama kan thu ti ko kan ka na ko kan tuang pia ni puritan nillo te turi by election ni purisu me ya masa dua ralle tur nilo he anti defection ne sarkar stability sarkar yang he na ahi
station la nei lo India ZPM movement manga MLA kan thankin hian MLA thing ta chuan ZPM kalsanin party te lu chilin ZPM hian MLA uire te in siam cho mai lo mo tin mi then khat chuan ZPM a kan kal phung kha an rin tok lo thuan soi ni ZPM MLA ni tu ra than kin MLA ten party dang som mi lawa huai sen tak le thang tung pu ta du da na ZPM an ni reng hi kan ngai sa din kan choi mo ni athang king tu puta du dan yain ZPM MLA an ni se don ani one
Ambasahin Anti-Defection Act kan tigengeni di kaman sa patila. So all dan answan shin tire na nan siyam aniya. Anti-Defection Act jina atumber Parliament adil ron kita dan penilaiannya pasti berjalan. Ketentuan objection Johnson yang biar kuduran dan yang kudu sangat siap China. Sudah posisinya terkait siap su manikan tu mipui cepat sana. An manikan tu nilau parti song si tu terkena. Susu masih dan intent anti China ada atau malaysia ngau ayin ada yang ini atum ini apa ini program asuhan anti sanksi anti jawab ini sudian angkes sutunan yang kan saya mekin paham kecuali MLA belum petitioner te somani tele kasih kereta guna judgment order anak buat soal antara transfer Jagsit Singh ale dan pengate kes karya. Katakan pahni kasu political party official candidate yang kan bagi hangking tu nilo party yang sama bagi disqualify dan Midang pali teka independent tak kini yang nilo party yang candidate nilo mani wali very much independent party and so ini soalan bagi tak tu terpaksain political party dan sama Indian National Congress ini. So bantu defektor diktat, wira diktat ania bangin Supreme Court kai. ขบวนการจุดเริ่มต้นของการท่องเที่ยว这个อารมณ์ต่างๆ